Iran's missile arsenal is growing more advanced every year. But Israel isn't sitting idle. From high-tech defense systems to cutting-edge AI, Israel's technology is rewriting the rules of modern warfare. Tune to see how Israel counters one of the region's biggest threats. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the military balance in the Middle East. Why Israeli tech matters in the face of Iran's missile arsenal. Iran has invested heavily in ballistic missiles, long-range rockets, technology over the past decades. These weapons aren't just statistics. They're a real threat to Israel and its regional allies, but has a unique advantage: cutting-edge technology. From the Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow missile systems to AI-driven intelligence, has developed systems capable of neutralizing threats before they even reach populated areas. In this section, we'll explore why this technological edge is not just about defense, but deterrence. Missile Iran launches is met with a combination of strategy, innovation, and highly advanced sensors. Israel's tech ensures that even in a conflict scenario, civilian lives are protected and enemy advancements are closely monitored. The stakes are high, and the technological battle is ongoing. Over the next sections, we'll break down the weapons, systems, strategic importance in detail. Iran's missile arsenal is vast and multi-layered. The country possesses short, medium, and long-range ballistic missiles, some capable of reaching Israel within minutes. These missiles are designed for precision strikes and can carry conventional and potentially unconventional payloads. Beyond ballistic missiles, Iran has invested in drones and cruise missiles capable of targeting military and critical infrastructure across the region. The speed at which Iran develops new missile technology has raised alarms worldwide. However, standing the threat requires examining Israel's defense systems. Israel doesn't just react, it anticipates. Its missile defense network combines satellite intelligence, radar systems, and real-time AI targeting, creating a multi-tiered shield over cities and military bases. This combination ensures multiple interception opportunities, reducing the risk of casualties. In addition, Israel continuously updates its software and hardware, integrating cyber defense capabilities that can detect and disrupt missile guidance systems. The arms race is not just physical, technological. By examining both sides, we see a high-stakes chess game where every move is calculated. Technology is the kingpiece protecting millions of lives. One of Israel's most famous defense systems is the Iron Dome. Designed to intercept short-range rockets, the Iron Dome has become a symbol of modern military technology. Its radar detects incoming missiles, their trajectory, and fires interceptors to neutralize threats mid-air, often within seconds. This system is mobile, scalable, highly adaptable, meaning it can defend both urban areas and strategic installations. Alongside Iron Dome, employs David's Sling for medium-range threats and Arrow 2 and 3 systems for long-range ballistic missiles. Together, these form a layered defense shield capable of handling multiple simultaneous attacks. But what makes these systems even more powerful is integration with intelligence networks. Early warning systems, satellite imagery, AI-driven prediction algorithms allow Israel to preemptively respond to missile launches. This is a game changer because Iran's missile arsenal is continuously evolving, combining human expertise with artificial intelligence and advanced sensors. Israel maintains a technological edge. The result is not only defense, it's deterrence. Iran must calculate the futility of its attacks against these sophisticated countermeasures, giving Israel strategic and psychological superiority in the region. Missile interception. Israel's technological edge extends to intelligence gathering and battlefield awareness. Drones, satellites, cyber systems provide real-time data on Iranian missile movements, production sites, and testing locations. This allows Israel to anticipate threats before they materialize, giving military planners critical minutes, or even hours, to prepare. Driven algorithms process vast amounts of information, identifying patterns and predicting launch sites, which can prevent potential attacks. In addition, Israel's cyber capabilities can disrupt missile guidance systems or communication networks, neutralizing threats without firing a single missile. By integrating air, land, and cyber defense, Israel has created a multi-domain strategy capable of confronting Iran's growing missile capabilities. Furthermore, Israel collaborates with international partners, sharing technology and intelligence, which strengthens deterrence. In essence, Israel's tech strategy transforms defense into prevention, ensuring the country stays ahead in an escalating arms race. Missile Iran produces is met not only with countermeasures, but with a deep understanding of the threat, turning technology into a shield and a strategic asset. Iran's missile program isn't static, it's rapidly evolving. New developments include longer-range missiles, high-speed drones, and advanced targeting systems designed to bypass defense mechanisms. This evolution pressures Israel to continuously innovate. Israeli engineers are constantly upgrading interceptors, radar networks, and software algorithms to respond faster and more efficiently. Collaboration with tech companies and research institutes allows Israel to maintain real-time adaptability in the face of evolving threats. Challenge is not just physical interception. It's predicting trajectory, speed, and payload type in seconds. This is where technology shines. With a multi-layered defense system combined with AI prediction models and rapid response mechanisms, can neutralize threats that once seemed unstoppable. Additionally, the focus on mobility ensures that defense systems can relocate quickly, making them harder targets for Iran's missiles. By integrating intelligence, robotics, and real-time simulation, transforms raw data into actionable defense strategies. The interplay of innovation and rapid deployment ensures that even as Iran develops more sophisticated missiles, Israel's technology continues to protect its borders, citizens, and regional influence. Missile defense is only part of the story. Israel's technology extends to counter drone operations and electronic warfare. Drones have become a critical component of Iran's arsenal, used for reconnaissance and precision strikes. Israel's systems can detect, track, and neutralize drones using a combination of radar, algorithms, and electronic disruption. Similarly, Iran relies on satellite communications and GPS guidance for missile targeting. Israel's cyber and electronic warfare capabilities can interfere with these signals, effectively reducing the threat before a missile is launched. This integration of physical defense, intelligence, and electronic warfare provides comprehensive security. Israel, a model of modern defense strategy. By investing in research, simulation, and real-world testing, Israel ensures that every potential Iranian strike is accounted for, limiting the effectiveness of Iran's growing missile inventory. This technological advantage not only saves lives, but also acts as a strategic deterrent, sending a clear message: any aggression will be met with an advanced, multi-layered defense response. Another critical factor is Israel's real-time response capability. Early warning systems monitor every possible missile launch from Iran. Once a threat is detected, command centers analyze trajectories, deploy interceptors, and coordinate defense across multiple layers. Decision-making process relies heavily on AI and automation to reduce human error and improve reaction times. Furthermore, Israel's integrated systems allow simultaneous engagement of multiple targets, which is essential given Iran's potential for launching swarms of missiles. The combination of predictive analytics, real-time simulation, and advanced communication networks ensures that the defense is proactive, not reactive. This approach represents a paradigm shift in modern military strategy, where technology transforms defense into a continuous, adaptive process. Combining intelligence, automation, and layered defense, Israel is not merely defending. It's outsmarting an advanced missile threat. This edge highlights why Israeli tech matters in the face of Iran's missile arsenal. Beyond defense, Israel's tech has strategic geopolitical significance. defense systems provide Israel with negotiating leverage in the region and internationally. Iran's missile threat, while formidable, is less effective against a country protected by superior technology. This deterrs attacks and reassures allies, creating a balance of power. Israel's innovation also encourages partnerships, tech exchanges, and shared intelligence, amplifying the impact beyond its borders. Additionally, investing in technological superiority ensures that Iran cannot easily intimidate the region through missile demonstrations alone. This technological edge isn't just military. It's diplomatic and psychological, reinforcing Israel's security posture. By maintaining this advantage, Israel sends a strong message: missile capabilities alone cannot dominate a nation that leverages tech, intelligence, strategic foresight. Looking ahead, the arms race between Israel and Iran will likely intensify. Iran will continue to develop faster, more accurate missiles. Israel, however, has a history of staying ahead through innovation, from missile defense to AI-driven battlefield intelligence. Future developments may include autonomous drones, hypersonic interceptors, AI predictive systems that further reduce risks from Iran's arsenal. The key takeaway is that technology, not sheer firepower, defines modern warfare. Israel's success demonstrates that investing in advanced systems, integration, and intelligence can neutralize even formidable missile threats. This technological focus ensures Israel remains resilient, capable, prepared for future challenges posed by Iran or other adversaries. In conclusion, Israel's technological superiority is more than just defense. It's a strategic shield, a deterrent, and a signal of strength. Iran's missile arsenal is significant, but Israel's layered defense systems, AI-driven intelligence, real-time response capabilities give it an unparalleled edge. This combination protects civilians, ensures national security, maintains a balance of power in the region. The lesson is clear: in modern warfare, technology can redefine threats and transform defense into a proactive shield. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more deep dives into military technology, strategic defense, and global security updates.